Need to display structured data on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the data table block from Nextblocks. Perfect for creating responsive tables with features like search, sorting, and filtering. Whether you are showcasing product comparison, schedules, or any tabular data, I'll guide you through setting up and customizing your tables. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Nextblocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Nextblocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Nextblocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the data table block. To do that, go to Nextblocks, then Blocks, and search for Data Table. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of data table block from Nextblocks. Under the table type, you have to select data source of your table. In the type section, you will find three options. Standard, to create table using repeater items. Then you can create a table with CSV file, or you can create a table with Google Sheet. So let's see the standard option first. From the table header tab, you have to create the header of your table using these repeater items. Let's see the option you will find in them. Under the action section, you will find two options. Start new row, to start a new row, and then cell content, to add content in the cell. To start a table header, you need to create a row first. So I've selected start new row. Then in the cell content tab, you will find three options. Content, to add content in the cell. Then from the icon tab, you can add an icon. You can add font awesome icon or dash icons, or you can add an image as well. Then from the advanced tab, you can adjust the call span like this. You can adjust row span. If you enable the responsive toggle, you can adjust the column width for responsive devices. Then you can align the text from the text alignment. You can adjust the text color and background color of the cell. In this way, you can create the table header. You can click on the add content button to add more cells. Then from the table body tab, you have to use the repeater items to create the table content. Let's see the options. Again, here we will find two options. Start new row, cell content. First, you have to start a row. Then in the cell content, you can add content in the text field. Then you can add a link to the cell from the URL field. You can also add a button by enabling the button toggle. From the button style, you can select a style. From the button text, you can change the text of the button. In the URL field, you can add a link to the button. You can also add custom attributes by enabling the Add Custom Attributes toggle here. Then from the icon tab, you can add an icon like this, or you can add an image as well. Then from the advanced tab, you can align the content. From the text alignment section, you can adjust call span, row span. From the mark this cell as table heading, to select yes, then this cell will act as a table header. Following this process, you can create the entire table. You can click on the add content to add more content in the table. In the extra settings tab, you will find some additional options to make your table more advanced. By enabling the table searchable toggle, you can add a search feature to your table, so user can easily search data from your table. From the search field label, you can edit the search label. From the table sortable toggle, you can add sorting feature to your table, so user can easily sort data from your table. From the filter drop down toggle, you can set how many rows the table initially show. Then user can easily select how many table rows they want to see. From the responsive options, you can make your table responsive. Here you will find two options. Swipe, this will add a horizontal scroll bar in your tables in mobile view, so users can easily swipe to see the table. If you select one by one, then it will adapt the table for mobile version, showing the data one by one. Let's see how it looks. This is how the table will look in mobile view. Now let's see the CSV file option. If you select the CSV file option, you have to add the CSV file URL in this CSV file URL field. Make sure your CSV file uses semicolon. Now let's see the Google Sheet option. Make sure your Google Sheet is public so the data table can access your sheet. Then in the API key field, you have to add your Google API key. Then in the sheet ID, you have to add your sheet ID. Then in the table range field, you have to add the table range from which you want to show the data. You can check the attached link in the description to see how you can find all this data. So let's get back to the standard option. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this table. From the table header, you can adjust the style of the table header. You can adjust the text alignment. You can adjust the typography. You can add global typography. You can adjust padding. You can add row text color, row background color. You can even add border by enabling the apply border toggle. You can adjust the border color, border width. Then in the hover tab, you can adjust the row text color, row background color, cell hover color, and cell background color. If you have selected this 1x1 option, then you will see this header mobile responsive style. This will style the header of your table in mobile view. You can adjust the text alignment, typography, padding. You can adjust this heading cell width. You can adjust the heading color, heading background color for normal and hover states. Then from the table body tab, you can adjust the style of the table body. You can adjust text alignment. You can adjust the vertical alignment of the content inside the cell. You can adjust typography. You can add padding. Again, you can adjust row text color. If you enable the stripe background effect, you can add stripe effect to your table. You can adjust the color of odd and even rows separately. If this is disabled, then you can adjust the row background color at once from here. You can enable the apply border toggle to add border to your table body. You can adjust the border color, border width. Then in the hover tab, you can adjust the row text color, row background color, cell hover background color. If you have added button in your table, you can adjust the style from this button tab. You can adjust the button typography, button padding, button width. You can adjust the space above the button. You can adjust the text color, background. In background, you can add background color. You can add gradient color, or even you can add a background image as well. You can add border, border radius, box shadow. You can adjust all these properties for normal and hover states. Then from the icon image options, you can adjust the style of icon and image inside your table. From the icon tab, you can adjust the icon color, icon size, icon position, icon spacing. Then from the image tab, you can adjust the image size. From icon position, you can adjust the image position, image spacing, border radius. From the search bar or show entries tab, you can adjust the style of all these options found in the extra settings tab. From here, you can adjust the sorting icon color, label color, input value color, input background color. You can adjust the typography, input padding, border, input border radius. You can adjust the search bar width, show entries width, space below these filters from the bottom space section. Then from the background tab, you can adjust the style of entire table background. You can add margin, padding, you can add background, you can add background color, you can add gradient color, or you can add background image as well. If you enable the display border toggle, you can add a border in the table on the entire table body. You can also add box shadow as well. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the data table block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.